Hello, parents and caregivers. Welcome to this channel. Let's simplify learning. We all know children are the most important and valuable asset to a family and a country. In today's video, we will explore 5 essential children care habits that every parent must adopt to nurture their children, to nurture their child's emotional well-being. These simple yet powerful practices can make a world of difference in your child's life. You know, as a parent, you are not just raising a child, you are shaping an individual's emotions, confidence, and worldview. So let's dive in. The first and most important thing parents should do that practice active listening, which means children have a lot to say and their feelings deserve acknowledgement. Active listening is more than just hearing, it's about being fully present. How to do it? Put away distractions like phones, maintain eye contact with your child, and respond with empathy, saying things like, "Oh, my dear child, I understand why you feel that way." The question is why it matters. Because this builds trust and lets your child know their emotions are valid. Over time, this strengthens their self esteem. Now, the second most important thing is to encourage your child to express their emotions. This is most important. Teaching children to express emotions healthily is crucial. Help them name their feelings. Sometimes they are happy, sad, angry, or sometimes excited. Here are some activities parents can try with their child. Number 1. Use emotion charts or flashcards. Number 2. Ask open-ended questions like, "What made you smile today, baby? What made you happy today, baby? And what made you more anxious today?" Like this. Then question arises why it matters. When children learn to label and communicate their emotions, they are less likely to act out in frustration and more likely to develop emotional resilience, which is a basic foundation for development of critical thinking in child. That's why it matters. The third and important point that most child lack nowadays is spend quality time together, because most of the parents are working nowadays, so there is less spend time with the children. Having said that, dear parents, your child craves your time and attention. Setting aside even 20 minutes daily for quality time can work wonders. Here are some examples of activity the parents can perform with their child. The examples are: play their favorite game. Number 2, go for a walk and chat about their day. Number 3, read a bedtime story, etc. The question is why it matters too. Because this creates a sense of belonging and shows your child they are a priority in your life, fostering emotional security. The fourth point tells about being a model of healthy emotional behavior, which means children learn by observing you. If you handle stress, disappointment, or anger calmly, they will likely mimic that behavior. The question is what to do. Dear parents, talk about your emotions openly but responsibly. For example, if you do not feel good, suppose you can express it: "I feel frustrated, but I will take deep breaths to calm down me." In other way, if you do any mistake, then apologize for your mistake. It teaches the children humility. Many parents do not know this and asks why it matters. Dear parents, you are their first role model. By showing healthy ways to manage emotions, You are giving them tools they will use for life. Then, if you are not doing so, then who will do that? The last important point to remember is celebrate efforts, not just results. Dear parents, every child thrives on encouragement. Instead of focusing only on achievements, celebrate their efforts. Some parents may say, how to practice this? Dear parents, say things like, I'm so proud of how hard you worked on this. Avoid comparing them to others. Focus on their unique journey. This builds a growth mindset where children learn that trying is as important as succeeding. It boosts confidence and emotional resilience. Lastly, I would say that parenting is a journey filled with challenges and joys. By adopting these 5 habits, active listening, encouraging emotions, spending quality time, modeling healthy behavior, and celebrating efforts, you can nurture your child's emotional growth and create a strong, loving bond. Remember, it's the small, consistent actions that make the biggest impact. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your channel. Let's simplify learning. Let's raise emotionally strong and happy children together. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.